Discover the heartbeat of Tennessee, nestled in the heartland, encapsulated within the confines of the vibrant area code 615. Immerse in its rich history, tracing back to 1954, a silent witness to the transformation of Nashville and surrounding areas. Unveil the essence of Davidson County, the region's gem, thriving amidst the rhythm of daily life, echoing through each dialed number. Experience the diverse communities that area code 615 embraces, a testament to the inclusivity Tennessee so proudly holds. Explore the businesses, personal connections, and stories that are weaved into the very fabric of this unique telecommunication landscape. So, let's embark on this journey together and delve into the untold stories and unseen perspectives that make area code 615 truly remarkable. Join us in this adventure, and together, let's decode the secrets of area code 615, the heart of Tennessee. Teloz, your business, connected.